Welcome to Court Helicopter Trending News. Today, the Court of Appeal has a new president. The election came in after the former president's term ended. Justice Musinga has led the Court of Appeal for 5 years. After his term ended, a new justice had to be appointed. Elections are normally conducted by the IEBC. 4 known serious judges, that is Justice Gatembu Kairu, Justice Patrick Kiage, Justice Agnes Murgor, and Justice Lydia Ajode, threw in their nominations. IEBC conducted the elections. Today, we are happy to celebrate the victory of Justice Gatembu Kairu, who scored 26 votes out of 41. A landmark decision. We wish him from Court Helicopter all the best as he starts his 5-year term. Then the next question, what is the mandate of the President of the Court of Appeal? Remember, we have the President of the Supreme Court, that's the Chief Justice. What are the powers given to the President of the Court of Appeal? 1, he is the one who constitutes benches. Remember, by law, the Court of Appeal has benches. He assigns judges duties. He is the one who constitutes ordinary benches. The ordinary benches are benches where they are free. By law, the Court of Appeal hears matters when they are free. But also, the Court of Appeal can assign a case to one judge. So it is the President who allocates cases for the Court of Appeal judges to hear a matter by one judge or 3 judges. The President also can constitute extraordinary benches. The extraordinary benches are when there are 5 judges of the Court of Appeal or 7 judges of the Court of Appeal, depending on how intricate and how powerful the matter is. The judge, that is the President, will do that. 2, his job is also the court administration. Together with the registrar of the judiciary, they manage the day-to-day activities of the Court of Appeal and also the general directions that are given by the President. 3, the President, that is Justice Gatembu, is the one to issue practice directions. Remember, the Chief Justice issues practice directions to advocates, to judges on how things are supposed to be done. Lastly, the President will sit in the JSC, representing the Court of Appeal as the President of the Court of Appeal. He sits at JSC. Remember, there is an election for the JSC representative for the Court of Appeal. Previously, it was Justice Wasame, who after finishing, Justice Fatuma Sichale took over for the next 5 years as a representative or the commissioner for the JSC. We wish Justice Gatembu all the best in this matter. How do they conduct their elections? The elections are conducted by the IEBC. Let us also look beyond that. What is the Court of Appeal? The Court of Appeal is created in Article 164 of the Constitution. What does it say? There is established the Court of Appeal, which shall consist of the number of judges being not fewer than 12, as may be prescribed by the Act of Parliament, and shall be organized and administered in the manner prescribed by an act of parliament. 2. There shall be a president of the Court of Appeal who shall be elected by the judges of the Court of Appeal from among themselves. 3. The Court of Appeal has jurisdiction to hear appeals from the High Court and any other court or tribunal as prescribed by an act of parliament. The Court of Appeal has no original jurisdiction. The original jurisdiction is in the High Court or the Magistrates' Court. Any decision that moves from the High Court, if it is challenged, it goes to the Court of Appeal. There are different types of High Courts. The High Courts that we have in this country, this is the Family and Children Division. 2, the Commercial Division. 3, the Admiralty Division. 4, the Civil Division. 5, the Criminal Division. 6, the Constitutional and Human Rights Division. 7, the Judicial Review Division, and any other division as the Chief Justice may, on the advice of the Principal Judge, determine. All those judges we have referred, they are called as High Court judges. Their appeal goes to the Court of Appeal. Then we have specialized courts. The Employment and Labor Relations Court, the Environment and Land Division Court. All these courts are called specialized courts. The LRC and the labor courts, any appeal from there goes to the Court of Appeal. At the Court of Appeal, the courts of appeal are not now centralized. The following are the Court of Appeal stations located across the country: Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Nakuru, Nyeri, Eldoret, Kakamega, and Meru. The Meru Court sits at Nkubu Law Courts. After that, their stations are called sub-registries. We have one located in Malindi, Garissa, Kisii, Busia, and Embu. Those are where the Court of Appeal sits. Any decision from the Court of Appeal, unless it raises constitutional matters, unless it raises very serious constitutional and novel matters, the Court of Appeal is final. The determination is final. Only matters that raise serious constitutional matters, matters of public interest, and other serious matters are the ones that go to the Supreme Court. Otherwise, the majority, 99% of matters that emanate from the Magistrates' Courts to the High Court end at the Court of Appeal. From Court Helicopter, we wish Justice Kairu Gatembu. He was my lecturer. Let me admit, he taught me at the University of Nairobi when I was doing my LLB and LLM class. He's a very good and powerful lecturer. He is a very good judge, and we wish him all the best in these 5 years as he leads and spearheads the Court of Appeal. Wakili Dan Sanomari, all the best, Judge Kairu. Thank you very much.